Most teams don't struggle to buy assets. They struggle to keep track of them. Spreadsheets, scattered systems, unclear ownership, and when it matters most, you don't have answers. That's where Nural Assets comes in. One platform for the whole asset lifecycle: procurement, registration, assignment, tracking, maintenance, audit, retirement. A complete chain of custody. Start on the dashboard. Live counts, trend charts, and recent activity from every module. This is your whole operation on one screen. Assets, inventory, tickets, people, counted live, charted as they change. And one legend runs through everything. Teal is healthy, red needs you, blue is in motion. You can triage without reading a word. Next, bring all your assets into one system, one form, or a whole spreadsheet at once. Name it, pick a brand, a category, a location. Notice what you didn't do. The asset code generated itself. Fill these fields once, and search, reports, and warranty tracking all come for free. Purchase information, warranty and AMC dates, photos captured at the door, everything structured, searchable, easy to manage. Then, assignment. Assign across departments, users, and branches. Custody recorded automatically. Who has what? Where is it? What's its status? Always answered. One tap does more than assign. It writes the custody log. Who, where, since when, on the asset's permanent history. As assets move, your records stay updated. Automatically. If an asset needs attention, raise a ticket instantly. Select any asset and the actions unlock. Ticket, maintain, barcode, dispose. Every action lives on the asset itself. Enter the issue, set the priority, assign the department. It's routed to the right team for quick resolution. No follow-ups, no missed issues. Audits happen directly from the mobile app. On the go. Open the plan, walk the floor, scan each asset. Verified next. Completed in progress, pending, the whole audit state in your hand in real time. Spot discrepancies instantly and take action faster. No end of audit surprises. And when finance asks for proof, open a report. Filter stack, search, status, priority, and more behind more filters. Category, location, date ranges. Whatever view you build, Export hands it over as a spreadsheet. Clean, complete, compliance ready. It keeps going. Add modules like Purchase or Audit as you need them. Switch between modules, customize workflows to your operations. One connected platform, end to end. From entry to audit, everything in one place. This is Nural Assets. One platform, a live dashboard, assets onboarded in minutes, assignment with automatic custody, tickets from issue to resolution, audits on your phone, export-ready reports, with purchases, maintenance, and modules that fit your workflows. Built to give you complete control over your assets. Book a demo or start your free trial at nuraltech.com.